South Dakota saw a 700% increase in the number of whooping cough cases compared to the last 5 years. So far this year, health officials confirmed 120 cases of pertussis. That's according to the November 2018 Health and Disease Report. The study also found a 256% increase in the number of E. coli cases. South Dakota saw nearly 200 confirmed cases of E. coli so far this year.